How to install the Google Slides app on your laptop. Looking for a quick and easy way to install Google Slides as an app on your laptop? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to set it up on both Windows and Mac without any confusion. And if you enjoy simple step-by-step tutorials, make sure to subscribe for more helpful how-to guides. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Make sure you're using Chrome since this method works through the Chrome browser. Next, go to the Google website and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, then scroll through the available apps and select Google Slides. Once Google Slides is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Look for Cast, Save and Share, then select Install Page as App. A window will appear asking you to name the app. Enter a name such as Google Slides, then click Install. Google Slides will now be installed as a separate app on your laptop. You can close the Chrome browser, and the Slides app will still be available separately. To open it later, simply open your Start menu on Windows and search for Google Slides. On a Mac, you can find it through your Applications folder or Spotlight search. And that's how you can install Google Slides as an app on your laptop quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to guides, useful tips, and easy tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.